The first year after bariatric surgery is the most critical nutritional window of your entire post-op life. What you eat and what you don't eat in these 12 months sets the foundation for everything that comes after. Welcome back to Real Talk Nutrition. I'm Tradina. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a developmental psychologist. Today's video is one I've been wanting to do for a while because it's a question I get more than almost any other from post-op patients. What do I actually eat? And I'm going to give you a full stage-by-stage breakdown of the first year. Let me start with the most important principle that applies throughout all of year one. Protein first, always. Before anything else on your plate, protein, protein, protein. After bariatric surgery, your stomach can only hold very little at a time. Every bite has to earn its place, and protein is the nutrient that matters most for healing, preserving muscle mass, and keeping your energy up. In stage 1, which includes weeks 1 and 2, full liquids. It's typically full liquids. Sometimes your surgeon may put you on clear liquids depending on what you have going on medically, or if there is some type of complication during surgery, or maybe they just want you to be on clear liquids just to make sure that you can graduate up to full liquids. But typically weeks 1 and 2, stage 1 of the bariatric post-op diet is full liquids. This is things like clear broths, protein shakes, water, sugar-free popsicles. Your healing stomach cannot handle anything solid. Your goal during this stage is hydration first and getting your protein shakes in. Aim for at least 60 grams of protein per day through your shakes and sip water constantly. Do not gulp. Don't gulp. You might hurt yourself. Stage 2, that is weeks 2 through 4. Pureed foods. Think Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, pureed chicken or fish, pureed scrambled eggs, hummus. Everything should be the consistency of baby food. Continue prioritizing protein above everything else. Introduce new foods slowly and one at a time so you can identify anything that doesn't agree with you. Stage 3, weeks 4 through 6. Soft foods. Soft cooked fish, eggs, soft vegetables, soft canned beans, and cheese. You're starting to rebuild a relationship with real food texture. Chew everything thoroughly, more than you think is necessary. Small bites, slow eating. Stop at the first sign of fullness. Stage 4, which includes month 2 and beyond, you can start trying regular modified foods. By month 2, most patients can tolerate most foods in small amounts. The ongoing rules are protein first at every meal. No eating and drinking together. Fluids and solids should be separated by at least 30 minutes. Keep portions small. Avoid slider foods such as crackers, chips, cookies, anything that slides through quickly without giving you much nutrition. Throughout all of year 1, take your supplements every single day. The bariatric multivitamin, the calcium citrate in divided doses, vitamin D, B12. Get your labs done at 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months post-op minimum. If your provider doesn't order them, ask. You have to know your numbers to make sure that you're not deficient in anything. Year 1 is where habits are formed. The people who do best long-term are the ones who use this window to build positive, intentional relationships with food. Not a fearful one. That's what I want for every person in this community. Now, typically your surgeon or bariatric dietitian or bariatric team will provide a list of these foods in very detailed step-by-step instructions. Now, I have heard of instances where patients didn't get that, especially if they went to an unaccredited program in Mexico or another country. So if that's the case, that you don't have anything at all, then you need to come see me. First and foremost, come see me, join my community. But if you don't have any of that paperwork, you really need to come see me one-on-one. You need to come see me, okay? For real, for real. Before I go, consider joining my free Facebook group. And if you want to go deeper, you can consider joining my monthly group coaching called Real Talk Continuum. All right? The details are in the description below. If this video was helpful, even in the slightest, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an episode. I try to post new content on a regular basis, and I really don't want you to miss any of it. Until next time, goodbye.